Central High is represented by Javon Simmons, captain. Daciana Brown, Anna McNeil, and Omario McIntyre. Dinthill Technical High is represented by Justin Anderson, Casey Grant, Deidria Webb, and Ronaldinho Captain, or rather Ronaldinho Brown, who's the captain. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone. Welcome to the 12th match in round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2023. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. The section teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and the Dinthill Technical High won, and they decided to send Central High first. So we begin with Central High. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Central High, we begin with history. Which country fought alongside the British in the Battle of the Somme?
France.
France. Correct. Dinthill, history. In which global conflict was the Battle of the Somme fought?
World War I.
World War I.
Correct. International affairs, Central High. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
All right, so Robert Brown.
Incorrect. Gitanas Nausėda, President of Lithuania. International affairs for Dinthill. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Come with some.
All right, Miguel Canal.
Canal.
Incorrect. Alar Karis, President of Estonia. Physics for Central. What type of pulley helps to eliminate the twisting of ropes in tree climbing and rigging systems?
What's pulley?
Inclined plane. Inclined plane.
Incorrect. Swivel eye pulley. Physics for Dinthill. Sailboats, elevators, and flagpoles are examples of what type of pulley?
Pulley.
No, compound pulley. Music for Central. Listen to the clip, identify the artist.
Caesar.
Correct.
Cool.
Music for Dinthill. Listen to the clip, identify the artist.
I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone.
Her.
Correct. Spanish for Central. Translate to English. ¿Dónde está el baño?
Where is the bathroom?
Where's the bathroom?
Correct. Spanish Dinthill. Translate to English. Nos vemos mañana.
We'll see you tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes. Theatre and cinema for Central. This is visual, so look at the monitor, identify the actor.
Lawrence Tate.
Incorrect. Jeremy Pope. Theatre and cinema for Dinthill. Look at the monitor, identify this actor.
Timothy Chalamet.
Incorrect. Diego Calva. Central High, Information Technology. What is the name for an integrated circuit having all the functionality of a central processing unit of a personal computer?
CU, control unit.
Control unit.
Incorrect. Microprocessor. Information Technology Dinthill. What is the name for system software that manages computer hardware, software, resources, and provides common services for computer programs?
Operating system.
Correct. Sports for Central High. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Aaron Finch.
Incorrect. Adam Zampa, Australian cricketer. Sports for Dinthill. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
I've got some. Temba Zuma.
Incorrect. Nathan Lyon, Australian cricketer. Literature for Central. Who wrote the 1973 novel Cricket in the Road?
Michael Manley.
Incorrect. Michael Anthony. Literature for Dinthill. Who wrote the 1939 novel Good Morning Midnight?
Good Morning Midnight.
Work with some.
James Joyce.
Vic Reed.
Incorrect. Jean Reese. Jamaican heritage for Central. Complete the Jamaican proverb. If speech, what shilling? Silence.
What pone?
Correct. Jamaican heritage Dinthill. Complete the Jamaican proverb. You can't ride cow back and?
Cause Colkins say tough.
Correct. French for Central. Who is La mère adoptive in a family.
Adopted mother.
Adopted mother.
Correct. In French for Dinthill. Who is directeur adjoint in a school?
Principal. The principal. Principal.
No, the vice principal. Art for Central, which, and there's no time for more. That's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Central High on 5, Dinthill Technical High also on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 54 returns right after these messages.